Might be several times. Could be.
Anybody got a flashing dot?
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. On behalf of One Hollow, we want to thank you for coming out on a rainy day. My name is Peter.
I'm Tess, and I'm Mary.
And none of us, claim to be experts. We are beginners on a journey of learning plants. In order to get us started with this journey, we have a game we play called Plant Concentration.
I think they're the same because
No, they're not.
This one is a clover.
Clover, yes. 三叶草，咱说的。
This is buttercup. These have small yellow flowers, and they're single plants, whereas these are more like a.
And the ones who want to go on a little longer walk probably should leave now. And then the ones who want to stay a little closer to home are more than welcome to stay here. And
white clover is generally better, and they always have these little, they look like white smiles on them. There's some clover lookalikes that are actually poisonous. So this is another kind. This is sweet clover.
That's edible.
Yep, and then red clover is also edible, and you guys can actually eat the flowers of red clover. Suck the nectar out of them. But rose, and it's an invasive, so once again you don't have to feel bad about over harvesting. In general, when you're harvesting, it's important to remember the rule of 3, which can be interpreted in a couple different ways. But basically, take a third of what you see. We tell the kids, you can take a third, the animals need a third, and then the plant needs a third to regenerate. So we were actually thinking about making a rose tea. Instead we did raspberry and mint. But you can pluck the flowers and put the flowers in water and drink from the tea that way. It's really good. This is the oxeye daisy, and I recently read that you can eat the young greens of oxeye daisy.
Garlic mustard?
Oh, that's the garlic mustard right there?
You know, when it's taller, it's actually easier to identify, but it tastes better when it's smaller. It's nice mixed in a salad with other things, or saute it up.
Yeah.
This is a type of violet, and violet is called a survival food because unlike some of these other foods where like the wood sorrel, you can eat some, but you don't want to like fill your stomach with wood sorrel. The violet is really palatable, and you can eat a lot of it without getting sick.
They're edible too.
Yeah, they are. What's up, dude? How you doing? You're a star.
Relatively small one.
Yeah.
Maple leaf?
This is a grape leaf. So does everybody know how to identify leaves? Or grapevines? Grapevines are really the only ones with the tendrils. So it's always in a vine, and it does almost look like a maple leaf. I have, if anybody's interested, I have the menus. So the risotto is the meadow, it's the Virginia water leaf, which we didn't pass any, but I can show you guys what it looks like. It's in the field, it's really easy to spot. And then plantain.